Hi guys, Emily here with MarineMax and Nisswa. This is a 2026 Premier 250 Solaris with a Mercury 200. Beautiful nautical blue and white exterior. And I'll show you some of the new features that are new for 2026. Coming in here, we have the overcast interior with the Arctic white accents. What's new, what I like about this is that they now have a panel to be able to have this corner pocket closed, can stay open so you don't have loose furniture. Also coming in here is armrests, making it extra comfortable in the front of the boat. You also have a new pop-up table, and you can option this with dog bowls, which is another awesome feature. And I want to point out one more thing is this new rear lounger. Same, but just a little bit different. So you actually now have more room for storage underneath here, which of course if you're on the boat you got a lot of bags, life jackets, everything, so you need a spot to keep them with the lounger setup. This boat is available online or come see it in person at MarineMax in Nisswa.